Welcome to Canada.
Oh shit! Alright, this is it. From a little desk 2 years ago, I made it to the real deal. This is Canada that I was expecting. Well, it's a not so good morning here, but it's cold, it's raining here, of course, the Vancouver. And I'm out with DougP Vlogs family. We got SugarFree Traveler, and we got Maria, where are you? And then of course we got the man, DougP Vlogs. Yeah. So we're heading to...
Don't look at the camera.
we are heading to Whistler. They were kind enough to invite me to go with them to Whistler. So here we go to Whistler, playing in the snow, tube rides, and God knows what. I'm super excited because it's my first time heading up super north here in Vancouver, and it is my first road trip here in Vancouver. It's gonna be a snowy day for the entire fam and for the Wonderboy. Oh wow, so much snow.
That's good.
It's gonna be beautiful.
It's gonna be a fun snowy day.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is Canada that I was expecting. Not the buildings, the snow. What up? Headed to Whistler. Check this out. It's pouring snow here, guys. This is fun, and I'm gonna get the Canadian way. I did have a little leak in front of the pickup truck. I don't know. I don't recommend doing it, but I got a leak, so you know.
You gotta go.
I gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta be a bear, you know, for once.
And
then my first shot
of
sherry. Woo, here we go. Here we go. Well, cheers to the fam. This will make you warm.
Cheers.
Cheers, Dougie. There you go.
Pour yourself another one.
This is good. Woo.
That'll warm me up.
Oh yeah. Woo-hoo.
Douglas, can I have one? Can
One.
you do it?
What about this? Okay, 1 second. So this is what we had. Cherry. Well guys, you know, with the snow, what you can do, just like what Maria does, you take a snowball and boom, throw it at Douglas, because he's not wearing a winter jacket. Like, look at us, we're wearing all the jackets. And guys, this jacket is the jacket that I bought in India. I paid 3,000 rupees for it, and I'm still wearing it here, but I'm not from India, you guys know that, right? So I'm still wearing it here in Canada, just trying the luck, just to see the wonder travels that I did in India and how it's gonna do, this jacket. Let's see. Doug is covered in snow, and shout out to stupid tourists for giving me the gloves. Thanks, buddy, because they're keeping my hands warm, and then there's a snowflow on me. Oh. But how am I keeping with the snow? I'm doing pretty fine, guys. From 28 degrees to like 0 now. I'm doing pretty fine, and exactly today, while I'm recording this is exactly 1 month of me being here in Canada. So I'm adjusting to the snow, and Toddy, the shoes are doing really great. DougP Vlogs, of course, he is giving free shout outs to his vlogs. That's so racist, Douglas. You're giving free shout out to your vlogs.
All right, thank you. Subscribe.
Well guys, so in order to go to the tube park, we had to take a gondola, and here we are.
Yeah.
Whew, it's my first gondola ride, and yep, I look like an Eskimo. I'm wearing whole, covering my face and everything because of the beer virus, and to be warm as well when you wear the mask. It's pretty warm here. And then I'm of course having my Timmies to keep me warm. We're going up. It'll be a high elevation of like 200 meters, but this will be really fun. My first time in a gondola, and my first time going up a snowy mountain. Everything's new for the Wonderboy here. It's really fun, but I wish the cable car or this little cot was you know, like, you know, really clean outside, because there's a lot of snow. Are these like chalets, or are these like little houses that people live here? They're pretty much gonna be a hotel, right? I think it's gonna be a hotel, and then chalet.
Hotels, I guess.
And then like really chalets.
All
like,
hotels. All hotels. Expensive hotels. Very
Well,
expensive hotels.
I surely won't be staying in one of those, that's for sure. Like, we had to walk all the way up but these are for the ski. We are not skiing today. There's a lot of people, but yeah, surely I'll be back here with a stupid tourist to ski, or maybe with these guys as well, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the Blackcomb Mountains. Thank you for visiting Blackcomb Mountains. And here I'm gonna go follow the path. It says I'm gonna follow the path for the tube rides, and it is snow. Look at my feet, like, guys, like, whoops, whoops, whoops. This indeed is a fun experience for me. Super grateful to God, and I'm super grateful for everybody who supported me to get to Canada. All right, this is it. From a little desk 2 years ago, I made it to the real deal, to the real snow. I know you guys are excited as well, so am I. I'll see you guys tubing. What do you have here? It's snowing out, it's pouring snow, snowflakes, and here it is, fresh water, straight from the mountains. But pretty much, you know what I was expecting. I thought it will be frozen, but no, it literally isn't. Snow on the side, fresh water flowing down. Could be the snow melting down as well. I don't know what you guys think. Comment down below. Doug said we gotta take the big one. I don't know. I'm gonna take the big one too. Look at this bad boy. But it is what it is. It's gonna be shit cold. Oh boy. But it's not really cold because I'm not wearing as you guys can see, I'm not wearing the gloves. It's not really that cold. I'm gonna cope up with it. Let me remove the mask because there is no beer wires over here. My lips aren't bad as well, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna be sliding down. Woo.
I'm here in Whistler.
Where are you, buddy?
Woo. All right, so there are the guys. Here you go. I'm gonna go in this one. Waiting for it.
You ready?
I am hell yeah ready.
Let's go.
Woo! Alright, I'm gonna go down. Whoopsie, this is fun. I hope I don't crash in the snow, but this is hella fun. Woo! Woohoo! Oh damn! Oh shit! Woo! I'm gonna be landing on the other side. Oh, hopefully not. Let's see. Oh boy! Woo! That's it. Oh boy! Woo! I got snow still. Gotta stand, yeah. So I did it. I might go for the second one. I finally made it. Woo! That was fun. My first snow tubing here in Canada. Settling down here in Vancouver. She's like, GoPro, move! I gotta move! I'm running! Woohoo! That was snow in my face. That's flipping cold! Woo! Oh God, guess what Doug got into? He fell off the escalator.
Oh shit, again.
Oh, again! Oh, he's crawling back up. And there we are laughing. Hey Doug, you all good? Hey, you all good? Sounds like he's good. He's back on the truck. Hey, give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, Douglas, are you okay? Thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up. Oh, he's good. He's good. Awesome. We're heading up again, guys.
Wonderboy Jeremy.
So here I am sitting in the tube.
SugarFree Traveler.
I hope you don't have the beer virus. Remove the mask so you guys can see the brown skin a little bit. I guess you gotta hold it over here so that don't spin around, but I don't know, let's see. But I guess I still haven't got my Canadian haircut, so I guess I have to get that as well. Could be another vlog, but I did get some Canadian over here. Let's see. Yeah, dude, slide me down. Woo! Here we go. Sliding it down. Oh, oh, dude, I got stuck. Oh, come on. Right down, jump in. Oops. Oh God, come on, slide me down. Can do it for me? That'd be great. I'm sorry, but I don't know why I hit the snow. Very over here. He's gonna slide me down again. There we go. Dude, I guess you gotta do it again. Super sorry, but I don't know what. Here we go. I hope I don't. Why is it?
I want to try changing tubes once you're at the bottom.
Yeah, I'll do that. He's literally sliding me down. All right, here we go. Cheers. Bye. Woo! Here we go. Oh shit. Aye. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Aye. This is literally, oh shit, this is too cold. Woo. Oh man, a lot of snow on my face. Gotta walk it up. Woo. A lot of snow though, but it was fun. It is, the second ride is done. No mask on, so you guys can see my face. It is what it is. Come to here to the Whistler Tube Park. I gotta get a haircut as well. Maybe another vlog. Well, that was it from here. I don't know what's next. That could be a next video as well. So if it is the next video, I'll see you guys on the other one. Adios. So just let you know, DougP is gonna do it for the vlog. Or snow dive right here.
This is it, guys.
Right.
This is it.
Uno,
Here we go.
dos, tres, go. There you go. Woo! Oh, dude, that's hella cold.
That was good.
I don't know if I want to do it.
One more. Snow angel time.
This is crazy. This is not the Hells Angel, this is Snow Angel.
Okay, get out of there. You're gonna freeze.
Okay.
I gotta do it, guys, for the vlog. 1, 2, 3.
That's a good one.
Woo!
Oh my God.
Woo! Damn,
Now you gotta go there and do a snow angel back there.
Snow Angel?
A snow angel.
Oh, dude.
You did it, man.
What a welcome to Canada. Fuck yeah.
Welcome to Canada.